How to add coupon to Target app. Let's get started. Launch a Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the Discover page. First up, we can select the items that you want to purchase. Just click on the item and add the item to the cart. Once you are done adding the item to the cart, at the bottom you'll find different options. Navigate to the option of cart. Now in this page, you're going to find all the items that you have added. When you scroll down, you'll find this section of promo code. You can click on the option of add. Now over here, you have to type in the coupon code. And once you type in, click on add. With that, the promo code will be redeemed and you'll get certain amount as a discount on your purchase. So this is how you can easily add coupon code in Target app. Once you have redeemed the code, you can check out all and place your order. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.